Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw BNB from Exmo to Kucoin in 2025. If you're into crypto and need to move your assets between exchanges, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Exmo and Kucoin and that your BNB is available in your Exmo wallet. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find BNB in that list. Next, click on BNB and select the Withdraw option. This will open a form where you need to enter the withdrawal details. Now, for step 2. Get your Kucoin BNB deposit address ready. Log into your Kucoin account, go to your wallet, select BNB, and copy the deposit address. Make absolutely sure it's the correct one to avoid any costly mistakes. Back on Exmo, paste that Kucoin address into the withdrawal form. Then, enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Remember to leave enough for any network fees. Exmo might show you estimated fees, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 3. Review everything carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees one last time. If required, complete the two-factor authentication code sent to your phone or email. Hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. Finally, once it's submitted, you'll get a transaction ID. Head over to Kucoin and monitor your wallet for the incoming BNB. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. By 2025, crypto processes might get even smoother with new tech, but this method should work reliably. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for storage. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.